We are in the world of brutality. We need peace and tranquility. I stand in solidarity with my brothers in Palestine. Free my brothers in Palestine.
Can you feel these innocent hurting souls? Spare me if you can't hear their cries. I am weeping daily, the world is watching comfortably, I ain't we taking things rightly. Today I am in deep shit, hardship, worship, zero partnerships, kept whipped, have no place to grip, to be well equipped for this battle for ownership. I am Palestine, why are these parasites trying to feed, making me bleed to supersede? Am I a bad weed to be weed, bullied just to meet their needs full of greeds? Making me a loser with no degree, when will I be free from this conspiracy? I am like cancer chased by danger, are you a buyer of this wrong idea? From your near, no dear, for I am drained with no rain. I can't even embrace my deen, faces erased, can't lace even at the marketplace, workplace, little airspace, how can I raise? No security barrier, do I need a loudspeaker? No, my voice is bigger to be a transmitter. But still no hearer, no helper is ready to cover like a lover. These striking beasts have arrived, taking my rights and lives, hard to survive, looking for someone to give me five, to destroy their beehives. I am in agony in my own colony, is it funny? No, I need harmony to save my progeny, for us to play in our own balcony. 1, 2, 3, these people are my aunties automatically, I have cried for peace, is it complicated to coordinate, for they dominate backed by the hypocritic whites, elongating their gates and hates, giving me no room to accelerate, giving rise to my death rate.
I can't sleep. My heart fearfully beats, my tears flow from my eyes like rainfall, but I can't cry anymore. I am stabbed on my chest, it choked my heart, couldn't breathe, for I am on my way moving towards death, for I have no choice. What a wicked world watching me and my children dying, blood shedding, legs broken, faces swollen, heart shaking, houses melting, property stolen, bodies beaten, stuff seizing, minds eaten. But the world is still deaf dumb with its so-called rulings, killing innocent souls of mine by the easiness. The superpowers keeping it low in their various lodges, the highest form of hypocrisy, and they said it's the wall of democracy. Nay, I call it the wall of democracy. Unlock keys, stupidity, idiocy, maltreaty, misjudgy, unfairly, and above all, the wall of injustice to the highest degree. I stand in solidarity with my brothers in Palestine. Nasrullahi Qareeb, God's help is near. No recline, no disincline, bloodline, deen line, lifeline, we not find, but we divine. For my lips are the gun, and my tongues are the bullets. We're praying for peace, day and night. We're in the world of brutality. We need peace and tranquility. I stand in solidarity, free my brothers in Palestine.